Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kat nang jan kisngi syaka election banjet thama ekonomi khman syaka yang darbar thawan ke jela keban selong shen hadin kendet tayo nang ni syakman kejingkala kasan hima simaru kanang yai kala kan nang mi kisngi dang hne kisngi ka khasan tare kula lengkon wei na ekonomi khman na ridom garo kata na gambagre constituency usaleng sangma ule harshukino kum MLA banlong udkhat bapura jong ka wei pat ka seng sain pertai kata ka Nationalist Congress Party NCP usaleng sangma ne kisngi ule IT ru ya ka shithi eno kam kum MLA syaka office rekam jong lampang ka yung darbar thawan ke jela ueti mandal ha assembly secretary hakabala pedang yang kini da assembly commissioner and secretary Andrew Simon hadin kajing ian okam kum MLA usaleng sangma hne hi kasngi ula simti pat saya kelingkor kebalaban chen da ka Nationalist Congress Party bo on simti kum president jogane ka seng hakani ke jela haka jaka jong basan borsulai ubala eno shen ya ka NCP dang shen bat let penyeso pat ba ka seng BJP ya ka kam president chau saleng sangma la ban shen da general secretary jong ka NCP seng kemena Delhi u Praful Patel leng ba ka shiti ke bala pha shu haki khindet sngi balala.
Why I choose NCP is that Sharad Pawar himself, is from the poor background, but yet he is, like now he is industrialist, and then moreover he knows how to help his own people. Okay, he has organized lots of small-scale industry in his constituency. So those are the physical achievement, and then physical proof that he has shown to the people by looking at them. By looking all those aspects, only I'm following them. That's all.
But Mukul is also leader.
Let me tell you, how many industries does Mukul have right now? He is very rich, no doubt. Okay, he is very rich. We can know that one. But the thing is, what kind of business he is doing, we don't know. So from where he is getting the money, we don't know. Do you know? I don't know. So I don't know, no. So it's a very, it's a very contradictory, to judge anybody or anyone, or to follow anybody unless and until you have a clean image about how you got the wealth.